What's up, y'all? It's Camacho here, and I wanted to make a quick video on a coin that I think is going to help you in the near term, in the near future here. Everything in the world right now is going nuts. We're seeing disaster after disaster. We're seeing increased ability for governments to track, seize assets, monitor your every move. And privacy is essentially going away in our society today. If you look at Bitcoin, you look at all these different blockchain technologies, honestly, the ultimate goal is so that the government can track every single transaction that you make in real time on a blockchain and then tie you back to any type of activity that you've ever conducted on that blockchain, right? So transparency is coming, privacy is going away. This coin, I think, has the potential to override that, right? I'm not talking about Monero. I'm not talking about Darrow. I'm talking about a coin that has been around now for a few years. It's gone up, way up. It's gone way down. It's sitting fairly low right now, but I think the coin has the potential for a reversal in 2024 and beyond because of the bull run, because of the what's happening on blockchains and the government's ability to start tracking your every move. Folks are talking about central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, more than I would like, right? Those make me throw up. They are not in the best interest of the people. They are to be able to track every transaction of a person within an economy so that the government can then have complete visibility, complete control into how folks and how people spend their money as they see fit. The government is coming to control that in a very big and real way. And to override that, this coin that I'm going to talk about has the potential to do that and has the potential even for a price reversal in 2024. What am I talking about, guys? I am talking about Pirate Chain, or ARRR. Pirate Chain has this ability, right? It's a complete private fungible digital gold token that has the ability to stay private, to keep your transactions private, to keep your life private, right? Let's jump into the chart and let's see exactly why I think Pirate Chain is going to blow up in 2024. Now, Pirate Chain has been around, like I said, for a while, right? Right now, it's sitting at 19 cents. We're at a lower market cap than we have been in the past, but we are sitting around 19 cents, and we're posed right now to go up. Let's look at this long-term chart. It's had a big downturn, right, over the last couple of years. Started back in 2021. We're in 2024 now. Hit a high of about $18, $17. And then from there, it's gone consistently down. However, now we see recent price activity waking up right here. We've seen a lot of activity spiking in Pirate Chain. We see the volume is shooting up, right? There's immense volume now coming out in the last several weeks, several months with Pirate Chain. We've seen it rise recently back up to 25, 26 cents. And we're seeing that the bottom may have come in at around 13 cents. Now, I'm not saying this is going to go back to $20, but it does have the potential to go up at least 10x, maybe even 50x in the next year, 2024, 2025, because I think it embraces the characteristics of privacy of Monero, right? I believe it's even a fork from Monero, and it's continuing to make headway, and people are starting to talk again about Pirate Chain, okay? This is the daily chart. If we go back over to the weekly chart, you can still see the trend in the volume is significantly spiking. You see this? All the volume is significantly spiking, right? That may indicate a price reversal here, and I'm going to be watching this coin for some time. I've been holding it for quite some time, and I'm going to see I'm going to keep watching this as the volume continues to spike and as the price plays out, proportionately. Okay. If you want Pirate Chain, you can go over to the Apple App Store, and you can go get a Pirate Chain wallet. It's the easiest way to buy and sell. Buy and keep your Pirate Chain coins secure. Can't talk today. Sorry. But anyway, go ahead and download this wallet, and then you'll be ready to get, to buy Pirate Chain and so forth. If we look at the website right here, this is the official website of Pirate Chain. There's a number of wallets. It says the ultimate private fungible digital gold utilizing class lending, cutting edge privacy protocols. Download your wallet now. And there's a number of wallet options. That's just one of the options that I was just showing you. Taking privacy to the next level, right? World-class developers, ZK snarks, transactional privacy by obligatory implementing the ZK snarks protocol and shielded Z transactions, offering unparalleled data obfuscation and rapid truth verification, right? They have a dev team on this. Delayed proof of work, DPoW, if you've heard of that, merges with Bitcoin's formidable network, bolstering security, safeguarding against 51% attacks, so forth and so on. ARRR, or Pirate Chain, is a unique privacy-first architecture. All transactions are private, ensuring that the sender, recipient, and amount of the transaction are all confidential. Mark my words, this is going to be a huge issue in the coming years as central digital bank currencies make their headway, make their momentum, or gain their momentum in the blockchain space, if you will. Interestingly, e-commerce is also part of Pirate Chain, and it offers a wide array of privacy tools to integrate into your online e-commerce ecosystem, right? Watch this explainer video to explain what Pirate Chain actually is. You'll get a better sense of why it's private, why I think it's a good chain. And then here's a list of the wallets that you can download. There are a number of them. And then the news coming out, right? News has been happening as recent as February 2024. So people are still talking about Pirate Chain. It has a pretty active community, which we could jump into. I'm not going to go over all of this, but let's jump real quick into the exchanges that carry Pirate Chain. Quite a few do, and quite a few more are popping up at the moment, right? Decentralized crypto exchanges, Komodo, you can go there and check out how to buy Pirate Chain. You could also go to these centralized exchanges. MEXC just launched it, non-KYC just launched it as well. CoinEx has had it for a long time. So you could there's a number of options where you can actually buy Pirate Chain. And here's some aggregators where you can exchange and do swaps to get Pirate Chain, okay? So very interesting, has a lot of potential. Price point is on point right now. It's still very, very low. This goes into what kind of the mainnet launches of Pirate Chain. They did launch a mainnet right here, and it talks about what that actually is and how that actually works. So they are prepared for the future, right? There is a dev team behind this. It's not going away anytime soon. And you know, I won't go all through that right now, but let's look over at the Twitter profile. It's got about 20,000 followers at the moment. It talks about, you know, all things privacy. You've heard this being talked on the Dollar Vigilante. You've heard Rafael Laverde talk about this from the Crypto Vigilante. They're big proponents of this. And I think this has a chance to you know, go up again in value quite a bit. And people are talking about it. You know, recently people have been talking about Pirate Chain and that it's a good buy right now. If you just kind of look on Twitter and look at a lot of the different sentiment going on, Pirate Chain is about to make a comeback in a big way, okay? So again, this is Dan Camacho from Crypto Camacho. You know, if you haven't checked out Pirate Chain, go and do that right now. One last thing I do want to tell you, or I do want to show you in this, is I want to go through Crypto Profit. Crypto Profit is a trading tool, an AI-based trading tool that I use to help me confirm my sentiments of how I feel about a particular coin or about a particular topic. I've run this through, and you can check it out. Go to Crypto Profit on, you know, Chat GPT or OpenAI. It's one of the GPTs that has been created. And check this out. So I ran it through. All you do is paste an image of the chart into Crypto Profit GPT, and then it will analyze this, right? And it's basically saying something similar to what I just said, right? So it picks up Pirate Chain on CoinEx. It picks up my my coin. It says the ARRR Pirate Chain chart exhibits a clear downtrend over the past year with some signs of recent reversal. The consistent series of lower lows and lower highs confirm the bearish sentiment. However, recent price action suggests a potential bottom formation with increased volume supporting the upside movements, indicating a buyer interest. So this is early on of a reversal, and this is confirming it. Volume trend analysis. Volume spikes correlate the significant price movements, both bearish and bullish. The latest volume increase is approximately 20%, suggesting potential trend reversal or at least a strong support area, okay? So what am I looking at? I want to show you this real quick. This is Crypto Profit. I've shown you this before on different ones. I wasn't kind of sharing my screen there, but you can see I'm analyzing this right now in real time, and this is what it's actually telling me. So let's continue to go through this, and let's see what it says, okay? Trading strategy. Recommended price entry is at 20 cents, just above the recent high to confirm the reversal. The exit, 24 cents, which is a conservative target given the downtrend. This is also a psychological resistance level. And then it says recommended time to trade in is short to medium term, aiming for quick profits. So it's not even saying the longer term. This is the quick term, you know, and what it's saying, you know, and how you can profit by this. This is the short term. So keep that in mind. If you want to look at a farther longer term outlook, I think we go a lot higher than 24 cents, but just keep that in mind as I'm reading through this. Okay. Potential profit is a 20% return. A potential drop could be a 12%, sorry, around a 12.5% loss. This is a 1.6 to 1 ratio. I think this is going to go up past 30 cents at some point. So I think that the risk reward ratio is a lot higher. But anyway, this is what Crypto Profit has to say. Take it with a grain of salt. I use Crypto Profit again to confirm my sentiments. And anyway, this is Dan, Crypto Camacho. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about Pirate Chain below. Again, I think it has potential. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. But in a world of where transparency and trackability is becoming, a huge issue for everyday citizens, Pirate Chain may be a good way to keep your money, keep your transactions, keep your life private. See you next time.